Nike, the world's largest supplier of athletic shoes, was initially started as Blue Ribbon Sports, BRS, in the year 1964. It was started by Phil Knight and his coach Bill Bowerman as a distributor for Onitsuka Tiger, a Japanese shoe brand. Nike co-founder Bowerman's constant engagement of sending feedback and designing ideas for Onitsuka shoes made him design the Cortez shoe, which became the best-selling shoe in America in the year 1968. But due to lack of supply from Onitsuka's side, the Blue Ribbon Sports was not able to fulfill the required demand, and later in the year 1971, they decided to end their relationship with Onitsuka Tiger to start their own brand named Nike. Well, luckily the contract between Onitsuka Tiger and BRS was going to end just before the Munich Olympics in 1972, which helped them to grow and came into various agreements with Japanese contractors. By the year 1980, Nike was covering over 50% of the American shoe market, with various campaigns and tie-ups for better design, better market growth, and advertisement. In 1984, they launched their successful brand called Air Jordan. Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Wealthy Mindset, and this time we have come up with another case study on Nike's Air Jordan shoe brand and how it became a $70 billion company. Do you know that almost 70% of the NBA players today prefer Nike, which was once struggling to make a place in the NBA? The story of the revolutionary shoe brand started back in 1984, when Nike was fighting with market leaders like Adidas and Converse. Fun fact is, Converse was later acquired by Nike in the year 2008. In 1984, when the NBA scheduled a draft to sign players for sponsorship from the various brands, Adidas's company executive refused to sign Michael Jordan because of his height, as they wanted to have taller players for their shoes. The fun fact here is that although Michael Jordan was 6 feet 6 inches, still it was not satisfactory for Adidas to sign him. Later, Nike approached Jordan to sign the deal for their shoes, which were uniquely named Air Jordan. The name was given by Jordan's manager, David Falk, which now has created history. Initially, Jordan wanted to work either with Converse or Adidas, but his manager and mother convinced him to work with Nike, and later they came into a contract for 5 years at a valuation of $500,000 per year. Nike, with the help of designer Peter Moore, made the first Air Jordan shoe, Air Jordan 1, for Michael Jordan as per his requirement. But in the first match itself, Nike's shoe Air Jordan got banned in NBA because its color, which was not matching with the league's color standard, for which Nike had to pay a fine of $5,000. But this ban attracted the cameraman's attention. The swoosh logo over the shoe played a dominant role and made it viral in the market, for which Nike enjoyed the advertisement and created history with the name, the Jordan brand. In the following year, when Nike released the shoes in the market, they got a very good response for their Air Jordan shoes and recorded over $126 million of revenue in just 1 year. Later, Nike started aggressively signing other players in the game, like Kobe Bryant, LeBron James in the 1990s and 2000s, which gave them a tremendous boost in the American and Chinese market. To promote the Jordan brand aggressively, Nike strategically hired Zion Williamson and Luka Doncic, which further helped them in creating a sort of monopoly in the basketball sneaker business. To popularize their brand, they launched their website in the year 1999, way earlier than their competitors, which led them to great success. Nike has always worked with their design, aesthetics, and technology usage over their products. Nike's logo, such as the swoosh sign with the tagline of "Just Do It," has left a lasting impression on their consumers. Even the Jumpman logo that they have used for their Air Jordan shoes was the original Michael Jordan picture. Today, this partnership has revolutionized this industry, and the current market is flourishing with 32 different versions of Air Jordan shoes, such as Air Jordan 1, 1985, popularized as the band shoes, Air Jordan 2, 1986, designed by Peter Moore and Bruce Kilgore, Air Jordan 3, 1988, which were the favorite of Michael Jordan, and many more. As per the 2019 Nike report, the Air Jordan shoe brand accumulated $3 billion in revenue for Nike and $39 billion as a whole, making the company worth $200 billion, which made Michael Jordan the richest athlete till now, with a net worth of $2 billion. After the retirement of Michael Jordan, the company signed several NBA players, including LeBron James, Kevin Durant, Kobe Bryant, and Steph Curry. However, none of the versions matched Jordan's legacy. With 21 NBA players, Nike has tie-ups with the players of baseball, football, NASCAR, soccer, and offers partnerships to musicians and fashion designers as well. Nike has always worked for their consumers' demand from the inception, where they understood the design, its demand, and then executed it. They understood the importance of the players and their influence in the market, for which Air Jordan has become a huge success for them. Nike has tried to keep itself unique and be first in terms of technology, which actually was depicted when they launched their website in 1999 and were the first on social media. Nike later, in their annual general meeting, disclosed the fact that due to these initiatives, they were able to clock 4 times more revenue compared to its competitor Adidas. Well, this was the journey of Nike's Air Jordan. Now it is your turn to tell us about your favorite shoe brand in the comments section. If you enjoyed this video, slap a like on it and subscribe to the channel to stay updated with the latest business trends and interesting facts. You can also turn on the bell notification so you don't miss any of our mind-blowing videos. We'll catch you in the next one. Until then, bye!